Yes, hello. Okay na ba to?
Meron po yan.
Meron daw yun.
Okay, Echo, welcome back.
Thank you. Wow, thank
Okay,
you.
can you start na lang with telling us about, a little bit about your role without spoiling too much?
Yeah, so I play the character of Tyrone De Vera slash Arthur Pelaez. So he is an accountant by day. And
So,
in
mo
the
yun
dark, he is a gun smuggler. So it's in this set, it's in this genre, it's action drama series, and he also plays the husband of Iris Benavides, who's the daughter of Ed Manzano, Vittorio. They own this like steel company, and of course they do monkey business. And my character is very very interesting because he's the type of person you know those people who wished for something and then when they got it na parang oh my god ayoko pala nito. And yeah, he's that kind of human being. He wanted power, he wanted everything. He wanted to experience the good life until he realized that somewhere in his heart, hey, I want a simple life pala. Parang ganun. So the journey starts when he tries to extract himself from the world that he's already planted himself very like neck deep in. So that's our Tyrone De Vera. Kahit ako nalilito na. Tyrone De Vera. Yeah. Yeah.
Pero what made you say yes pala na ito talaga yung magiging comeback?
Come back, no? Because I know. Like the elephant in the room. I said I would go back to teleseries na and stuff. First of all, I am a much happier actor. I'm a lighter, more I'm just more accepting in terms of. I used to be like angry at myself because hindi ko pinagbibigay yung sarili ko in terms of my dreams. And I was really happy doing series and stuff, but the films have taken a backseat. My ultimate dream to be an actor producer, parang ganyan. So I was kind of like really enjoying this very comfortable life doing series and happy until and I said, okay, pinagbigyan ko yung sarili ko. When I started working on my dreams and giving myself that that kind of love na okay, you can do these things. That's when I started becoming more accepting in terms of this is stage. Stage has this different discipline. Film advertising different because I also touched on a little bit on like advertising design. Teleseries are different also, and it's loved by so many. And so why would you turn your back on anything, diba? So I had to go to New York, meet my coach, and then we did this whole session, and I was like crying, saying, "Okay, I'm sorry to myself for turning my back on acting." And then I started, this one, like I said kanina, it was an accident because I did pitch to Star Cinema, and they said in return, can we pitch to you? So Dreamscape pitched. They actually pitched two projects, one film project and one TV project, both action. And I said, ooh, it's aligned. Number one, aligned to my current goal now, which is action drama, action comedy, or ganyan. So I've just added action to the list. And yeah, the character was one of the character is one of the biggest reasons kung bakit ko tinanggap yung show. And then the cast and team. Yeah.
Dugtungan ko na Eko kasi you mentioned seeing a life coach. Tama ba? Life coach?
No, it's an he's an acting
acting
coach. Yeah. Acting
So what
coach,
is
yeah.
that about? Kwento mo naman yun. Because that seemed to be life-changing for you.
Yeah, I actually do believe that acting should be part of our curriculum or the education system, parang ganyan. Arts. Because it's so super nakaka-heal siya. It boosts your confidence, it gives you, it makes your imagination work, it makes you, it helps you accept yourself, parang ganyan. So our session became like a therapy session.
Yeah.
I went there because workshop ko yung isang character ko for one of the films I'm producing. And then when I got there, we did this exercise, and I just it just started going a different direction. I was like, what's happening? You know, so what was the problem? It's always about, acting is always about what's stopping you and what's pushing you. When it comes to facing the camera or facing, you know, people or facing a script, parang ganyan, it's believability, parang ganyan, di ba? I did not believe in my artist anymore because I was so angry and furious. Yung pala, my artist just needed some caring and loving, parang ganon. So then I was like, okay, I'm more accepting. Come back home, and I was like, okay, ready.
Pala.
Yeah, I built a new team, and then I built a new management team, and then, yeah.
Management team.
Yeah, I have a new
Dami
team.
mong bago
Like,
sa buhay.
Ang dami. It was a 4 or 5 year work. I'm working with a wonderful manager, Pinky. She's there.
Hi.
And then Karen, John, Leonard.
How did that come
everyone.
about?
Huh?
How did that come about?
Hunting. I was managing myself after Star Magic. I'm really good friends with Mr. M and Tita Mariol and, you know, the past management companies, teams. But I just started managing myself na kasi lumalabas na akong rebelde eh. Parang ganun. Like, nobody could get what I'm, parang, oh, but sila Mr. M, they get me. You know,
Yeah,
they get me na, okay, why are you going against the flow always? I just know what I want. So I did that. I managed myself for maybe 5 years. And I said, I need help with, you know, executing plans, strategies, and everything. And so, niligawan ko yung kaibigan ko. Nandun siya. So, sorry na lang dun sa mga, sa old company natin na trabaho. Yeah, but she's wonderful.
Okay, one question about your character. Double life, does he live a
Double life, definitely. Definitely double life.
Okay.
So, what's funny is that, so you've seen the trailer, di ba? Parang ganun. And in the trailer, it goes like,
Oo.
double life in the sense na, okay, one life is his job and he's hating everything about it na. The second one is his relationship with Iris Buenavides. And he wants to change and bring her with him. Ganyan. But Iris has different plans. So parang, and then he finds another life. And he wants that. So parang gano'n. That's why I said kanina that this is like, he's like a dead-end character. Lahat na lang ng gawin niya parang mali. And every step he has to pay for that. So that's why it's so exciting kasi ang daming pwedeng paglaruan. Yeah, gano'n.
Is it being an actor like living a double life din?
Triple, quadruple. Sometimes feel ko schizo ako, so.
Ganda.
No. You do. You actually do. And the most important thing for an actor is to know thyself. And always just go within. Because you're going to be wearing different hats. But the currency here for being an actor for me, I think, is you just being genuine. That's it. And everything else just is fun.
Guys.
Thank you.
Echo, how long has it been na inactive ka sa TV series? What was your last TV series?
Halik.
Halik.
Halik. Kasama
With
ko si
Yam.
Yam, tsaka si Yam.
Yeah, super successful.
So how long ago was that?
6 years.
6 years.
Oo, na-challenge yung quick math ko sa'yo ah.
Yeah.
6 years.
Is Tyrone De Vera an eraser character? By eraser, I mean, it erases your matinee idol packaging? Can you consider that an eraser character?
I guess the quick answer would be no. I've never really thought of titles or matinee idol, parang ganyan. What I tell my management is that these are the roles that I want. This is the goal. This is where I want to go in terms of where I want to bring my career. And these are the projects that we hunt and look for. And I personally hunt. Ganyan. I never really thought of, matinee idol, parang ganyan. If we go back 26 years later to Pangako Sa'yo, when Christine and I were doing the love team route and ganyan, diba? I've always told myself, I appreciate the love team and everything. But there will come a time I will be alone and I will work with other people. Yeah, I paid the price, of course. Na some people didn't understand it, but man, I loved that partnership. I loved the show, regardless of how challenging it was during that time. But this is just me really exploring different areas of my career and field and acting. Yeah, and you know, the abilities that I was given, parang ganyan. Because, ganun ako eh. Saturate ko yung isang bagay, and then when I'm done with it, I'm done with it. But I'll never turn my back on that one. I'll just keep adding. I wanna do action talaga eh. Action, drama, horror, ganyan. Kasi marami pa ako mga, hindi nagagamit na hindi ko masyado nagagamit yung gulat, yung sigaw.